and apply it to reality. So as you talk through this about organizing, bringing people, introducing people, there is someone who is driving this. It could be one or multiple people. In your opinion, how important, what would be the things that person need to have so that they're able to do these? Like the idea of bringing people into the same room initially, it's already difficult, right?
Yeah.
Especially now we don't have same room. It's more like same Zoom call. And to have people introduce each other and such. So does that require someone to be any special, like, do they need to do things special or they just like, hey, I have an idea. I don't know, I'm a junior, analyst and I really want to do this. Like, how do I get this ball rolling?
Yeah. So the best thing is there's two principles at work, right? People don't change unless the power dynamic changes. So if there's a hierarchy, this has to be a top-down hierarchy. So if the boss or whoever's bringing you in, so I'm assuming in this case it's a consultant, they're not going to bring you in unless they have some level of budget or urgency behind them. And so you want to tap into that, right? Whenever you're coming in, you want to have decision makers at the top who it's aligning with. Because if it's not aligning with top decision makers, it's going to be very hard to get the other leaders or the departments to jump in. So you want to connect it to leadership's top priority. And when I say leadership, I mean like the executive team's top priority or the goals. And secondly, you want to then communicate the urgency of it. So if the leader at the top or whoever brought you in, most likely it'll be somebody in the top, really connects with the urgency, then you want to tap into that and build momentum on that. Okay, so hey, listen, in the first step, I think before we start this project, I think it'd be very important if we can get the IT head and the marketing head to jump together and kind of powwow and talk about our first steps, because that's really going to help the ball moving along. So I think the urgency of like, okay, we started a project, let's do this project right, plus the right person at the top to push it, gets the people in the room. Otherwise, it's going to be very hard to get somebody to jump into your Zoom call.